Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you how to fix Valorant stuck on loading screen with some simple and working methods. If your game freezes while loading, first restart your PC to clear temporary system issues. Next, run Valorant and the Riot client as administrator to avoid permission problems. After that, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable, because network issues can cause loading delays. Now, open Services and ensure Riot Vanguard service, called VGC, is running properly, and if not, start it and restart your PC. Also, update your graphics drivers to the latest version to prevent compatibility issues. If the problem still continues, try disabling antivirus or firewall temporarily, as they can block game files. Then verify game files or reinstall Valorant if needed. Finally, update your Windows and launch the game again, and the loading screen issue should be fixed. Subscribe the channel for more videos.